What's up everybody, this is Roy and welcome to another unboxing video on this channel. And today we have this. So it's a Xiaomi high-res earphone, means the sound quality is high resolution. High-res means high resolution. So guys, today in this video we're going to unbox this headphone, find out what's inside and find out is it really a high-res headphone, and find out the sound quality. Is the sound quality is awesome? Is it worth it money? So guys, let's get started. So guys, this headphone came in this box. This is tiny box near about 4 inch by 2.5 inch, and on the back you will get a little bit technical information like type in ear, weight 17 gram, cable length 1.25 meter, jack type 3.5 mm, rated power 5 watt, speaker impedance 32 ohm, sensitivity 98 dB, and frequency range 20 to 40 kilohertz. And thanks to gearbest.com for sending me this headphone for review. So guys, let's unbox it. Let's cut it open. So wow, look at this beauty. This is the headphone. It's came in really awesome design pack. And let's find out what else we have inside this box. Wow, we have an awesome pouch to carry the headphone. Really awesome. Front of this having a Mi logo. Okay, that's it guys inside the box. And the design of the case is really amazing, like its look. So, and here we have little beauty sticker. Let's peel it up. And this is the headphone itself. Let's open this box. And this is the headphone. This thing made out of synthetic TPU material. Feels really good to touch. It's pretty long cable, 1.25 meter. Amazing build quality. So all of this thing is made out of metal, and we have total 3 pair of earbuds, extra small, small and large. And probably this is the medium one. Now guys, I'm going to record a sample audio using this Zoom A1 recorder and this Audio Technica ATR3350 lab mic. Hey guys, so I'm using this headphone for near about a month. Okay, it's a earphone headphone, whatever. So the thing I like about this headphone is the build quality is metal, much better than any other earphone in the market at similar price. If you go for Sony, JBL, any other brand, you will not get same quality headphone in that price range. And because this is a metallic earpiece, if you put in ear, it's become a little bit heavy. And sometimes it's feel up easily from your ear, and that's the main, I think, cons of this headphone. Also the microphone quality of this headphone is amazing. This is the microphone for this whole you see it's for mic. This button is for previous, next and pause, okay, as any other same kind of earphone. The earphone is a little bit expensive. It's around $30. So if you go to amazon.com, they are selling it around, let me show you guys. The Xiaomi Hybrid Pro earphone selling on Amazon.com is around $32, and in Amazon India it's selling around 2000 rupees. But in gearbest.com you will get it only $18. There is $19. There is a flash sale going on gearbest.com, and if you use this coupon code GBSaleJune014, you will get another $2 discount. So you need to copy this coupon code and paste on this gearbest.com and apply, and it will give you $1.99 discount. So it's only for 50 piece, like 50 coupon is available for redeem. So guys, if you want to check this earphone, all the link is in the description below, and the gearbest coupon code also in the description below. So check the description for more information, and if you guys have any question, any suggestion, let me know in the comment section below. And if you want me to make a review video, let me know in the comment section below. I definitely do that for you guys. So guys, thank you so much. Stay tuned. Meet you on my next video. Till then, bye bye.